Assalamualaikum guys. Today I'm going to explain to you about the history of mean, mode and median. First and foremost, I'm going to explain to you about the history of mean. The term has first found in the mid of 1960s in the writing of Edmund Halley. States that it has been used to summarize the observation of variable since long time ago. Next, I will explain to you about the history of median. An early English use of concept of median states that the median is the value which is exceeded by one other half of infinite large group and the other half falls short of. Last but not least, I will explain to you about the history of mode. An early use by English mathematician Carl Pearson states that it was convenient to use the term mode to the corresponding of coordinate to the maximum frequency. So now I will explain to you about the definition of mode, mean and median. Mean is the sum of element divided by the number of element, while median is the midpoint of the halfway point of the distribution of a score, while mode is the value that appear most frequently in a data of set. Before I show you the formula, I will explain to you about the definition of ungroup data and group data. Ungroup data is a raw data, while group data is a value that has been organized to group from a raw data. Now I will explain to you about the formula that we have. So first, we have the formula for mean, ungroup data. Then we have formula for the group data of mean. Next, I will explain to you about the median of ungroup data. This is the formula. So this is the formula for median of group data. So another one is the mode. So this is the formula for mode of group ungroup data. So this is the formula for mode of group data.
Great reading. So since PSPM2 is around the corner, why not we do some exercise to improve our skill? So let's do some exercise. Okay. So I will read the question first. Okay. So question is, the following set of data shows the age in year of building of 10 schools in a town. So what do you guys think? It is ungroup or group data?
I think this is ungroup data.
Okay, it is true. Okay, why? Why this is ungroup data? Okay, why this is ungroup data? Because it is nothing has been categorized after collection. Okay, so the first question is calculate the mean. Okay, so the mean is, okay, first we do the formula first. Okay, the mean equal to x over n. Okay, so we just add all the values and then we over 10 because at the question is already give the information, so it's easy. Okay, so 38 plus 70 plus 43 plus 31 plus 40 plus 33 and 56, 74 and 31 over 10. Okay, so can you guys help me to find the value?
37 over 2.
Okay, then thank you. Okay, that is true. So we already get the mean of this ungroup data. Okay, second, the question is find the median for the age of the building. Okay, so what do you guys think? How to find the median? What is median about?
I think median is the middle value when the data is arranged in ascending order.
Yes, that's true.
Oh, we didn't have to formula, right? Odd
Yes.
number and even number. Can I know what's the formula of?
Okay, the formula is, okay, everything formula, right? So Sm equal to Sn plus 1 over 2 and one more 1 over 2 Sn over 2 plus Sn over 2 plus 1. Okay, okay, but this equation is just straightforward. So first of all, we must arrange all the value is in ascending order because the value the given is not arranged in ascending order yet. Okay, so first we arrange first. Okay, okay, first 10,
17,
31, 39, 23, 38, 40, 43, 56, 74.
Wow, good job guys. That's true. Okay. straightforward. So how to find the median is, okay, as we said before, in the middle, right? Okay, so in the middle is 33 and 38. Okay, 33 plus 38 over 2.
2.
So what the answer is?
13. I got 35.
Yes. Thank you guys. Okay, next question. Okay, we already get the mean and the median. So last question for you guys. The question is calculate the standard deviation for the age of the baby. So how to get this question, standard deviation? You have a two-step. First, we must get variance first, and second, standard deviation. Okay, so first, we must find the value of x first. So x, 273. Thank you, Sufia. And value for x power of 2.
I get 16905.
Okay, thank you, Gigi. Okay, so we already get the both of value. So we just substitute the value into the formula. Okay, so x power of 2 equals to 16905 minus 373 power of 2 and over and overall power, sorry, divide by 10 over 1. And we get minus 1, sorry. Here you go. And we get
2.46.
okay, thank you, Shadri. Okay, so we already get the variance. So it is easy to find the standard deviation. So S
Square
equal
root.
to, yes, square root of 332.46, and we get
18.23.
okay. It's true. So we already know, right, how the Anglo equation. So thank you guys for joining me today.
Thank
Good night, everyone.
you.
Okay, as you guys already know the formula of group data, so let's see some of example of group data. So have you guys ready?
Yes!
Okay, so the questions are, this is the table of the group data, and then the first question is to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Secondly, determine the daily income earned most often by the reseller. C, percent coefficient of skewness. State the skewness of the daily income distribution of the reseller. And last question, calculate the percentage number of days in which the daily income of the reseller is less than or equal to RM 168. So I want all of you to come forward and fill the blank. Okay, let's go. Why you guys already come forward. Okay, why you do this?
Because total of frequency and x and then multiply. And then I get this vector.
Why you get this? How
So
you
about
get
negative suka and just
Yeah.
upper class and lower class plus and divide by 2.
and the upper and lower and the upper and lower. Good. And then okay, next time go. Faster, faster, faster. Okay. Aiman, why you do it 116?
Because the lower boundary you find more.
Because of the formula value. Okay. Then I get 11. Okay. If we can fill this answer. Okay, I think it's already done. Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, everyone. Yay! Last questions. I'll teach you how to find the percent coefficient of spinach. So, percent coefficient of spinach has two formulas. So, let's just stick with one formula as you guys already find the mode and mean. So,
Standard deviation.
Okay, what is the mean?
170.
70 minus
165.
over
22.86.
6. You can help me to calculate the answer.
I got 0.2187.
1. Okay. You need to do the conclusion. Okay, so the conclusion is this is the positive value. So the daily income distribution of the result is positive.
Students.
Okay, if you get this answer is negative, what is the
Negative students.
Okay, so good. Clap.
Based on our discussion, we can relate data description in our daily life. Usually, this data description mostly used by teachers to get average result for their student. So it will make easier for them to see class performance. Other than teachers, big organization like company also use data to solve problem easily, especially in business field. In addition, data also can be analyzed for insight that lead to better decision and strategic business move. Okay, so what is the advantages of group data? First, it helps to focus on important subpopulations and ignore irrelevant ones. Next, grouping of data improves the accuracy of estimations. While advantages of ungrouped data is first, most people can easily interpret it. Next, when the sample size is small, it's easy to calculate the median, mode, and mean.